lot of polishing tubing from like 1 inch all the way to 6 inch. For us to do it by hand, it just takes way too long. As flexible as that sander is, you can get into tight places, which I was pretty blown away.
I've never seen anything like it. We've always talked about it in the trade, having an automatic sander for the pipe ends and stuff. So it's really cool to see. You're saving your wrists. I know a ton of guys that ended up with carpal tunnel because of sanding and stuff. The fact that it took the paint off the steel pipe just the way it did was great.
I think it was a really good tool. I would definitely recommend it because it's, like I said, one of those tools that you can take with you and use it in tight spots and make your job a lot easier.